with sugar as a kid, right? Which only works as long as if I when do people usually have their first chocolate biscuit?
I don't know, but I don't think 5 is that. I don't think 5 is that old.
I might be. Look, I was basically it was my first
I
year.
thought you were going to say. I'll be honest with you. I thought you were going to say 15. It's starting to give me a little bit of an understanding of what you think is abstinence. But the fact that you didn't have, I'd love to see just fucking on a chat show just crying. No, yeah, wasn't going to have my first chocolate biscuit till I was 5 years old.
I didn't even know what chocolate was till I was 5.
Anyway, go on, sorry.
So yeah, so she was really against. We never had sugar or treats in our house. I used to just wolf them down.
It's a classic story. Classic story.
Yeah. So now I have a very unhealthy relationship with snacks, and like for example, right tonight, for example, let's put tonight into context. I had a relatively healthy